then we have what you call this? Oh, I forget this one is vegetable oil. Okay then. Hi, hello. Welcome to Signature Market. Nama saya RB. I am the founder of Chef Kecil Kitchen. I do baking classes and obviously I baking every day. So today we are doing roti ataupun bread using our KHIND Bread Maker. Okay, I forgot to tell you that we'll make it cranberry rapid bread using KHIND Bread Maker. So what we have here is our ingredient. So we have water, plain water, 1 egg, full cream powder, sugar, salt, cranberry bread flour. We have yeast here because we want to make bread and we need yeast. So how to use KHIND Bread Maker? You just need to press select on the KHIND Bread Maker. What we're gonna make today is rapid bread. So you just press select number 5 and then we can choose either we do 500 gram or 750 gram for the bread. And then you can also use either you want your bread to be darker or lighter. So let's start to make our bread. Very easy actually. So just pull this one and then we put all the ingredients. First one is our plain water. And then we have our egg. And then we put full cream powder. And then we have our sugar here. Put all the sugar. Your vegetable oil that I forget before. Salt. Bread flour. And then we have our yeast. Put inside. And lastly, your cranberry from Signature Market. Just put all the cranberry. What you need to do is just put in over inside like this. So this batter is made from ceramic and very easy, not sticky and easy to pull out. Senang je nak keluarkan kita punya roti lepas masak nanti. Okay, then close our KHIND Bread Maker. Do select. So we have rapid bread here, number 5. Just select number 5. And then we have 750. And then we just click start. Done. So our bread will done after 1 hour and 55 minutes using this KHIND Bread Maker.
A few moments later.
So just pull on the bread and take out. So we need to let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. And using these durable ceramic coated bread barrels, it's very easy actually to take out our bread. Okay, now after 50 minutes, it's show time. Okay, slowly. Wow, amazing! Look at that. Okay, done our cranberry rapid bread. So let's check the texture. It's spongy, and then look at the cranberry inside. Okay, and the color itself, it light color. Okay. Hi guys, I have one question to all of you. What is the preset setting I use for this bread? Okay. Don't forget to comment below your answer and stand a chance to win our amazing KHIND Bread Maker. If you like to see more, please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to our Signature Market YouTube channel. Don't forget, bye!